Hi everyone, my name is Kristen Snowden. Thank you for chiming in. If you are chiming into this video, I'm going to be talking about the new workshops that I have rolling up here coming in October. I've already run my first live workshop. I thought it went really well. It was a really great experience for everyone. And I got some feedback, which has allowed me to kind of make a few adjustments to timing, cost, and the topics that we're going to cover. So I have two new workshops really quick, and you're welcome to go to my website to find out more information on this, but I have two new workshops. One is going to be very small group, only 6 people, because I really want everyone to be able to get to know each other, feel safe and intimate, to share kind of intimate details about their life. So 6 people. It's going to be a betrayed partners group that is starting on October 12th. It's going to be 4 weeks. So the dates are going to be Monday, October 12th, October 19th, October 26th, and November 2nd. They're all going to be about 90 minutes long, and the cost will be $325 for that full 4 weeks. The timing is at 9:15 a.m. to 10:45 a.m. Pacific time. I know that's not going to work with everybody, so the plan is, since the group is so small with 6 people, that if I fill that up, I can try to do an evening group for everyone. I'm just trying to accommodate different schedules, different time zones. I have a couple people that are outside the intercontinental part of the United States that have really different time zones. So please, if that timing does not work for you, Mondays at 9:15 a.m. Pacific time, then just shoot me an email and see if we can find another group to be doing to help you. It's a betrayed partners group. So the type of people that are going to be appropriate for that group are people who are married to or in an intimate relationship with someone who struggles with sex addiction, porn issues, they've uncovered another type of addiction of some kind, or a chronic infidelity, or long-term betrayal trauma through infidelity or some kind of other emotional abuse, narcissistic abuse, etc. So please, if you have any questions, email me about that. Again, it is starting October 12th. You can click down under these comments, go to kristinsnowden.com, click on my workshops, and you'll be able to register online. And once you register online, you will be able to go enter the Zoom links. I will also be offering breakout sessions. In my other workshop, in between our weekly sessions, I offered the clients the opportunity to go into breakout sessions to kind of meet each other more intimately, talk about what we maybe covered in the previous week's workshop. And it was really great. It allowed the workshop community to connect and form bonds and be more supportive of each other in the process. So please, if you are looking for help and support as a betrayed partner, please consider joining this group. We can extend it past the 4 weeks and adjust the timing depending on who we have join us. The second group is going to be a 6-week group. This is going to be a group that we will be using the curriculum of Brene Brown, the Rising Strong and Daring Greatly and Rising Strong curriculum. We will be exploring concepts around connection and intimacy, fear and vulnerability, and topics around shame. These are really big issues that are obstacles to people feeling wholehearted, content in life, feeling like they have healthy relationships and engagements with romantic partners, family members, colleagues, etc. So her work is really phenomenal. I talk about her a lot, but this is going to be a 6-week series. It is also going to be 90 minutes. It's going to start October 13th, every Tuesday, October 13th, October 20th, October 27th, November 3rd, November 10th, and November 17th. I am capping the participants at 7 people. These are really tiny groups because I want to give everybody a chance to talk, to share, to engage. We will also have the breakout sessions as well in between, because the breakout sessions have been really great and really helpful in allowing whoever wants to join in a more in-depth, intimate way to be using the breakout sessions to do so. So it's going to be October 13th, 20th, 27th, November 3rd, 10th, and 17th. This is going to be in the evenings, 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. And the cost for the full 6 weeks, 90 minutes, is going to be $445. So it's actually less than $50 an hour when everything's broken down. So please, these are tiny groups. They're going to fill up fast. So I wouldn't hesitate to kind of click and register, ask me questions. And again, if both of these fill up, give me some feedback on times and dates that work for you. I'm trying my best to kind of set these times up for times that work for everybody. And I really look forward to meeting all of you. The first workshop was a really positive experience, and I hope you're all hanging in there. I'm getting a lot of email asking for help, and I'm doing my best to meet your needs, to provide you as many resources as possible. That is what I'm here for. That's what I hope that I can do for you. So don't hesitate to email. I try to get back to you within a day or two. KristinsNowden.com, KRISTIN'S NOWDEN. All that information will be linked down below. Thank you and take care.